Hi guys, here welcome back to my channel once again. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you top 5 app you can chat with people, keep their company and earn money. These app are mainly for video calling and text chatting and interaction. I will explain how this app works step by step so that you can understand it clearly before using any of them. Let's get started guys. The first app on the list is Mango Life. Mango Life is a video and chat app where users interact through live streaming and private calls. Okay, and this is how it works. All you need to do is for you to go to your Play Store and download the app, create your account, set up your profile picture, upload your profile picture, set up your information clearly. You can go live and accept video call from users and get paid. And a user can actually send you gifts or pay for private chat. And this gift can converted into a cash where you can withdraw, and you can withdraw with your USDT and your bank account here on Mango Life. The second app is Tango Life. I'm going to be putting the picture on the screen of this video, okay? So this app, Tango Life focus on one-on-one video chats, okay? And this is how it works. All you need to do is for you to register your account and verify your account, turn on your availability of you receiving video calling, okay? Okay, and you're going to be receiving call randomly from users, and you can earn coins every minute you spend with someone on video call, and you can actually receive your money through USDT, paper or ePay. Okay, so that is just it. Okay, the third one on my list is Mental Life. Okay, Mental Life allow you to chat with people from different country, and you can actually go live streaming here and receive call online and get paid. And this is how Mental Life work. All you need to do is for you to download the app, sign up, complete your profile picture, go online and receive video chat or video requests from users. Okay, so you can earn coins based on chat duration, and you can actually withdraw your earning with your bank account or USDT or ePay. Okay, every payment method is available on Mental Life. Choose anyone you like and withdraw your money. The fourth one on my list is kitoapp. Keto Life is a popular app that pay you by chatting, just by replying messages online and get paid. Okay, so it's very easy for you to earn on Keto app. If you are looking for a way to earn extra income, Keto app allow you to text chat with boys and get paid just by resending message to boys. Okay, so the fifth one on my list, that is the last one I'm going to be measuring now, is chamet life. Okay, chamet life is the one of the most popular live streaming app I've never seen. Okay, chamet focuses on video chatting and social media interaction. Okay, and it is very very nice. You can earn up to $10 if you are serious, if you know what you are doing as a lady. Like, you can actually earn up to $10 just by spending time with lonely people online. Chamet is very very nice app. Okay, if you know what you are doing, it depends on your effort. Okay, so now disclaimer: this video is for educational purpose only. I don't guarantee earning. Results may vary. Always do your own research before investing your time and your money in any apps mentioned on this video. All this app I call out now is an app you can actually make money just by chatting with lonely people online. Remember your time, and make sure you search more about any of this app. Do your own research before joining any app mentioned on this video. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like if this video is actually helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more earning video like this. If you are my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Like, thank you. You guys mean a lot to me. Like, I really appreciate you guys for always coming back, taking your time to watch my video. I appreciate you, and God will bless you more. I really appreciate you guys for always supporting, being supportive. I see you all. Thank you so much. If you are just joining my channel, you are highly welcome. My name is Faith. Here I teach about how to make money online. If you're interested of making money in any of this category, survey, live streaming, review, like any app, I bring it here to share with my community. And thank you so much, and see you on my next video. Bye.